Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool object here, and here's what this is a fiberglass magnetic screen door. So literally how it works is that once you guys set it up onto your door, when you guys open up, it closes up by itself. Because it does have a magnet that's in the middle to actually seal it back up together, which is pretty cool. And the benefit of using this is to prevent any bugs from getting in, which is really useful, especially if you guys do have like a sliding door without like those net. And since the material that's on here is a fiberglass material that has like that mesh design, it still gives you guys that breathable option to let air in or let air out, which is pretty cool. And they mentioned for the installation process, it does not take that long. It literally takes you guys 10 minutes to set it up, because all you have to do is just take this out and just stick it onto the door all around the corner. But we see for the one that we got right here from this brand. So what I'm doing right now is open up and show you guys what's included. So first thing inside they do provide you guys a tape for you guys to install it. So later all you need to do is just peel out the back part and just stick it onto the wall when you guys do set it up. And right here they do provide the accessory for you guys to use if you guys need to use it. But here we do have the tape for you guys to use, which is like a real cool option. If you guys open this little box, inside we do have a bunch of thumbtacks that you can use if you guys need to use it. And that's everything inside that little bag. Next thing inside right here, they do provide the user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And the very last thing should be the actual screen. If you guys do take it out, once you guys take it out, here's what the inside looks like. If you guys do fully open it, once you guys do fully open it, here's what it looks like. So you can see how it is like a mesh net when you guys do set it up. But for this side right here is a Velcro option. So like I mentioned, what you guys want to do is peel this part out. And what you guys want to do is set it up onto your door all around. Once you guys do that, you guys just stick this on to actually set it up onto your door. For this test, I'm not going to show you guys how to set it up, but I do want to show you guys how it does work. So for example, if I do have it set up, if I open up the door like this, if you can see how the middle part opens up, but once you guys bring it back together, if you can see how it seals back up, let's do it one more time. Let's close it up. So it does have a really strong magnet that actually hold it in place to close it back up when you guys are not using it or when you guys do go through. So for example, if I open it like this from the outside, once I open up, if I let go, it closes back up. So a really cool product you can see if you guys want to set this up onto your door. And when you guys do set it up, you guys will make sure it's set up correctly. The top part right here will not open up, but the bottom part, you can see it does. So you definitely want to make sure to put on the opening for the bottom part in the bottom and not on top. Otherwise you set it up incorrectly. But when you guys do feel the materials on here, it does feel like a high quality material. Like even when you guys do look at the holes that's on here, it's actually very small. So you don't have to worry about any flies or bugs getting in when you guys do use it, which is pretty cool. And for this product, it's so cool and so convenient that you guys can use it, your kids can use it, or even your pet can use it as well. It is pet friendly if you guys do set up correctly, when you guys do stick it onto the back. And when you guys do purchase this one in particular, it's only one size. So you definitely want to make sure you guys get the correct size before you guys do purchase it, because if it's too small or too big, they probably won't work. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to come unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys want to set like a net option for your door to prevent any bugs from getting in. And if you guys want something that's really easy for us to open up and close it, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't want these, that obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.